Hello, Pirates! It's an exciting time as we prepare for some students to come back to school and others to remain in remote learning.
The end of the third grading term is March 19th. Make sure all your assignments are turned in and get help if they are not.
New hybrid schedules for Term 4 begin March 22nd.
It is time to ready, set, and go to prepare for our transition to our Term 4. Transition time is going to happen next week. Monday will be normal distance learning schedule. Tuesday, teachers will meet with students for about 30 minutes in the Google Meet and talk about what to look for on the days ahead in the learning pathway and Google Classroom activities. Wednesday and Thursday, there's not required time in with teachers, so your teacher will let you know if you need to show up for live time on Wednesday or Thursday. Otherwise, you work on things in the learning pathway. And finally, on Friday, you will meet for 30 minutes with your teachers in the Google Meet to talk about transition plans, safety expectations for in-person learning, and to wrap up the quarter. Speaking of wrapping up the quarter, you're probably wondering how you know which cohort you're in when you come to school. Well, on Thursday, families will be getting an email letting you know what cohort your student is in, whether it's an AM or PM cohort. And soon you'll be able to access schedules in Family Access. It is time once again to talk about schedules for a new term. Term 4 starts on March 22nd, so all students will need to check Skyward for their class schedules. Remote and in-person teachers have now been assigned, and student schedules are nearing completion. However, they're being adjusted in real time, so we thank you for your patience, as you may see changes occurring in Skyward that are not actually finalized. Don't be alarmed if Term 4 schedule looks incomplete or incorrect. As you prepare for your new daily schedule, you need to know that students continuing with remote learning will attend Google Meet classes in the mornings or the afternoons for 45 minutes live. And then there will be another opportunity at the opposite end of the day to meet for 45 minutes again with your teacher in small groups or individually. If you're going to be in person, you can check the cohort schedules that are listed in the look ahead.
Hello, I am your guide to the ASC for today. Now, if you'd like to go to the Academic Support Center, you would need to first go into Clever and then click on the ASC support icon on Clever homepage. And then you make sure you're at the right time and click on the appropriate Zoom link.
We're taking a break from selling your books right now, but we still want you to send in your pictures. Can't wait to see them.
7th graders, registration for Caballero classes is happening now. Current 6th graders will be registering towards the end of April.
In Bali, it is there's a thunderstorm with 86 degrees, precipitation of 80%, humidity 79%, and wind speed of 6 miles per hour. And in Thailand, it is a scattered thunderstorm with 91 degrees Fahrenheit and precipitation of 40%, humidity 66%, and wind speeds of 9 miles per hour.
In North Carolina, it is 68 degrees and sunny. We're going to travel over to the City of Love, Paris, France, and the weather trends for today are rain and wind with a chance of precipitation at 70%, and a high of 50 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 48 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hello! Today in South Africa, Hillbrau, the weather, it feels like 60 degrees with a low of 57, a humidity of 67%, and a 2% chance of rain.